And here we go. So this is in the interview prep kit, sorting, and this is called Mark and Toys. So let's check this one out. Oh, I need to put my timer on. Hold on. I keep forgetting my timer. 15 minutes is the time. Okay, Mark and Jane are very happy after having their first child. Their son loves toys, so Mark wants to buy some. There are a number of different toys lying in front of him, tagged with their prices. Mark has only a certain amount to spend, and he wants to maximize the number of toys he buys with his money. Given a list of prices and the amount to spend, what is the maximum number of toys Mark can buy? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the prices, and Mark has $7. So he can buy 1, 2, and 3 for $6, or 3 and 4 for $7. He would choose the group with 3 items because it has more, even though it's less spent, it's actually more in terms of number of items. So complete the function maximum toys that returns the integer representing the maximum number of toys. And toys can't be bought multiple times. That is an important thing to note. You sort by the smallest elements and you just maximize on those, and that's basically all you have to do, because you can't get any more than that, really. I don't want to use the built-in sort. Do I? Yeah, I mean it's sorted, I guess. Prices equals prices dot sort. That's kind of cheating a little bit. I know this uses quick sort under the hood, so it's n log n in terms of time complexity. So it's like I could do it myself, I guess, but I don't want to. I'm being lazy. And then we have my let. No, I have k already, so this is my for. I should say while k is greater than 0. No, I'm just gonna do a for loop. Okay, for loop it. Let I equal 0, or just const price of prices, and this is the potential new k equals k minus price. Again, I'm trying to be really explicit with the naming here. So if k, and you also need to count equals 0. All right, so if potential new k is less than 0, then we know we can just break here. Else, all right, I don't need to put the else then. I can say count plus and k minus price. Return count. Okay, so what's happening is it will sort the prices and loop through the prices smallest to largest, and it will keep subtracting from k. Eventually k will be either 0 exactly or below 0, at which case you break it before you even take off the price. I guess I could technically put this as k equals this new potential new k. And let's see if that works. I think it will, but let's find out. I'm kind of cheating with the sorting already. So I put out 2 because 1 and 5, and this is supposed to be 50. So what's going on there? 51 plus 5. Let me look at this logic up here. It says 4. 1, 12, 5, and 10. That's what I would have assumed as well. So I think I might have sorted it the wrong way. Maybe. Let's see. That's weird. Price is 1. Oh, you know what? Strings. They're giving us strings, not integers, which is the problem. That seems weird. What's going on there? Yeah, that's the number. Can I console log prices after you're sorted? Let's see what happens there. Yeah, so I can only assume that these are strings then. Yep, okay, so I need to do a conversion and do it like a map. And I think string should do it. String. Yeah, X. Okay, well, string, and then int. I think I can do this. String. I think that'll work. Let's run that. Int is not a thing. Yeah, it's like, is it number? I think it's number. It's been a while. Number. Can you console log prices? Why are you not sorted properly? Map. And this sort function needs to be a little bit better. I think it's that. Is that a thing? No, it's backwards, of course. But it is working properly the way I expect it to, right? Yeah, okay. I don't need to put the map, I don't need to map the thing. It's already a number, apparently. Then what the heck is this sort doing? It's like doing a weird kind of sorting. Alright, kill this stuff. I think that should be fine. Let's run the code one more time. I have 4 minutes left. Okay, cool. Let me submit. Maybe have to debug some stuff, probably. Oh my goodness, what? Are you serious? So this sorting algorithm isn't working properly? It's not putting the least at the top? Or at the front? And my time's up. Jeez, man. Come on. It's supposed to be easy. Okay. So, I'm actually going to revisit this. I'm going to do this sorting myself, actually. I'm going to use bubble sort. Meh. Blah. But it should be fine. Okay. So we're going to keep account. Equal that, and for let I equal 0, I is less than prices dot length I plus plus. Okay. Okay, and then we do for let j equals 0, j is less than prices dot length minus 1, and we do j plus plus. So I'm basically going to be looping through each sort, so each element, to find smallest and check for buying. Okay. I have to spell length properly here. I'm going to call a swap function. I do this all the time. Array I, j, whatever. And then const temp equals array I is now equal to array j, and array j is equal to temp. And that is how I swap on an array. Okay, and so here we're going to say if prices j is less than j plus 1 is less than prices j, that's when I want to swap. This is I, and then j and j plus 1. So I can also say j is greater than plus 1. It means I want to swap, which means that after this loop, after inner loop done, the ith position element is next smallest price. This is where I do my check. I say, hey, if prices I, if k, so k minus prices I is less than 0, then we can break. Else k minus equals prices I. And I will also count plus. It should return count. Okay, so that should run, I think. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it worked. Okay, let's submit the code. Hopefully it worked there too. A lot of not working going on there. Still not sure why though, to be honest. Let's do it the other way. If the next one is larger, then you already sorted. Oh, that's the point, that you're getting the smallest one near the end. So I need to loop. Oh, okay. So I need to loop backwards then. Okay, I got to loop backwards. So j is equal to prices dot length, and you're going to go until y is equal to 1. Less than, sorry, it's greater than 0. J minus minus. Okay, and so while j is the current j, which is like going backwards, so j is greater than, no, less than j minus 1. Swap that. Let's see now. Okay, it goes through it twice like it's supposed to. And this last number, I'm not sure if this is the largest. It's not the largest. Well, that's not the point. It doesn't sort it all the way the first time. It just grabs the smallest number first, puts it at the beginning, and then eventually over time it will eventually get there. So this is working as expected. And I think this is actually much more efficient than the previous one I was doing. I still don't understand why the previous sort wasn't working properly, like the one that's built in, because that should have worked. It should have just worked. I'm not sure why it didn't. It is also much more efficient doing it the way I just included. Man, that took a lot longer than it should have. I definitely did learn that I could do a quicker job just sorting it out myself instead of like sorting the entire array, which I think is a nice like little minor bump in efficiency. So that was nice, good to have that. And the fact that I knew like how to do it was really good too. Like this double for loop, and looping backwards is also a thing I should remember for getting the smallest number first versus the largest number at the other end. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope that was useful and helpful. I definitely had a nice frustrating time with this quote-unquote easy one, and I'll see you in the next one.